Connecting the cable between the EPM and the junction box. This video covers the steps to correctly connect the GRIDSMART camera to the GS2 processor. These steps must be followed for your system to achieve optimum performance. The GRIDSMART camera is attached to the traffic cabinet via burial-grade, shielded, gel-filled Cat5e cable with solid core 24 AWG connectors. After connecting to the junction box, run the cable to the cabinet. You will need to terminate the opposite end of the cable and crimp the ring lug onto the drain wire before plugging directly into the EPM. Let's walk through how to properly terminate the cable with the RJ45 connector. The connectors are wired according to the T568B standard. When looking at the RJ45 cable with the tab down, the wire colors are orange-white, orange, green-white, blue, blue-white, green, brown-white, and brown. The drain wire in the cable is utilized to protect the data signals from the electrical interference present in the intersection. The drain is connected to the ground stud in the EPM utilizing a crimped-on ring lug. Per the Ethernet standard, no segment of the cable can be more than 300 feet long, and the best way to verify the cable length is to use the Cat5 cable tester that measures the length of the cable and the transport speed of the cable. The triplet real-world certifier is used for this function. To use the triplet real-world certifier, connect the certifier to the RJ45 on the end of the cable that will be connected to the EPM. You will then be prompted to place the remote on the RJ45 connector that will go into the junction box. The certifier will complete the analysis, and from there you can verify cable length and quality are in compliance with GRIDSMART best practices. If the distance between the GRIDSMART camera and the traffic cabinet is greater than 300 feet, then a repeater can be used to extend the distance to an additional 300 feet. A maximum of 2 repeaters can be used between the camera and the traffic cabinet, making the maximum distance 900 feet. If a repeater is needed, take a moment to watch our repeater installation training video.